Hello everybody, Joe here, and happy Friday. So, talk about minimalism and my health. I need to try to be raw and real and honest. And boy, are we getting into that today. So, health-wise, both physically and mentally, it has been a difficult week for me. And I had physical therapy today. And I had to get groceries today because our fridge was basically empty. So, I had planned on doing a 10-minute better walkthrough of the fridge and have it clean and tidied. But some days it just doesn't work out the way you planned. So, also my roommate is home today and it's loud out in the main common areas, so you wouldn't be able to hear me if I did film. So because of that, I am going to go out and show you what the fridge currently looks like. And then, because I have just been wiped out today, I'm going to come back in here and explain the things that are gonna get tidied once I have the stamina again. So let's go out and I'll show the fridge.
Oh, yeah, let's go fucking kick this dude's ass. Let's fuck him up. Go.
This. About in the middle. So that was a quick glance over of the fridge. So there's stuff in there that needs to get used up because it's on the verge of going bad. And there's stuff that just could be straightened up a little bit and look a little nicer. So this isn't how I planned on doing this collab, but sometimes life doesn't go as planned and you just gotta roll with it, go with it. So I want to thank Mel from Melinda Plain and Simple for including me. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe. My other videos are more together. Today is just an off day for me. So it looks like we're having wonky days together today, Mel. But as you could see, it was pretty well clean. It didn't really need to be wiped out that much. I had someone come over and help me clean a few days ago. So things kind of got reset a little bit. And I usually, and because we went grocery shopping today, last night I used up as much as I could to make room in the fridge for of stuff that was going bad, to make room for new things. So if you're like me and you're having an off day, or you don't have a lot of stamina or whatever, just know that it's okay, and you just get the fridge to where it's manageable and where it looks okay. And if you're like me, you don't need a whole lot of tidying. Just know, okay, it's okay to put it off. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go watch the other ladies' videos in the playlist and subscribe to their channels. They're all amazing. And I will see you Tuesday for my regularly scheduled video. Bye.